Many applications, such as pumps for waterworks, require reliable and cost-effective coupling solutions for connecting the motor with the working machine. The N EUPEX by Flender is among the most frequently used couplings in the world. In this video, we'll show you exactly how the N EUPEX works and why its remarkable functionality remains unsurpassed. The N EUPEX effortlessly absorbs the given mechanical loads, protecting the motor, gear unit, and working machine. This applies especially during startup, stopping, or switching gears. The N EUPEX reduces peak loads and protects the entire system from damage. An important advantage of the N EUPEX is its compact design, which saves valuable installation space and contributes significantly to lower costs for brackets and plant design, as well as greater system stability. This applies in particular for the pump sector with its standardized dimensions. In real production environments, the shafts to be connected are almost never in absolutely perfect alignment. For this reason, the N EUPEX always has to compensate for shaft misalignment as well. In general, this situation has to do with the interaction of three types of misalignment, each of which affect the interaction to a greater or lesser extent: axial offset, angular offset, and radial offset. The EUPEX idea is already 100 years old. The goal of the Flender engineers at that time was to develop an extremely cost-effective universal coupling that combines reliable power transmission with simple function. In the N EUPEX, torque is transferred by highly advanced elastomers, flexible coupling assemblies made of synthetic rubber. The pins on the corresponding counterpart fit into the spaces in between to create an interlocking connection. At the same time, the N EUPEX is designed such that the generous gap dimension allows for axial play. The assemblies are primarily subject to compression loads. The special design of the N EUPEX allows the elastomer flexible to have just the right amount of space it needs to deflect under load as misalignment is also occurring. The coupling reacts as follows in the event of radial shaft misalignment. While the pins and the assembly form an interlocking connection, the deformation of the rubber compensates for the corresponding offset. Each rotation works the elastomer flexible. No abrasive wear occurs within the permitted range of misalignment values. In case of angular offset between shafts, a horizontal compensation procedure is performed, which also works the elastomer flexible without abrasive friction. The non-slip surfaces of the coupling pins provide important support for this process. They ensure the proper adhesion of the materials under pressure. Exceptional casting quality is critical to this functionality. The N EUPEX components are produced from high-quality cast iron. The high proportion of graphite in this material effectively reduces mechanical vibration and noise. The shape of the components is critical to the functionality of N EUPEX. The special casting process allows components to be produced with little or no draft and extremely close tolerances. As a result, this solution is not only cost-effective, but also very precise. The N EUPEX has very good damping capacity due to the elastomer flexible. The damping capability significantly reduces the disruption of alternating torque during startup situations with an asynchronous motor. In addition, selecting the right shore hardness can create distance between the drive's natural frequency and that of the exciting frequency, and thus prevent a critical resonance situation. The fail-safe N EUPEX and the non-fail-safe N EUPEX DS are available in the same modular system. This way, users have the option to retrofit or modify at a later time. With this standard portfolio, the N EUPEX covers a majority of the requirements. The manageable amount of components is of crucial significance for logistics and costs. The great idea behind the N EUPEX is its outstanding capabilities and simple function. For decades, the tremendous price-performance ratio has provided the basis for the unwavering success of this coupling, proven millions of times. Simple, brilliant, and NEUPEX.